How to withdraw Ethereum from MetaMask to Binance. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to withdraw Ethereum from MetaMask to Binance account. So now open up your Binance. After you open Binance, now go and copy the Ethereum address on your Binance. So now go to assets. After you come to asset, go to deposit. Tap on this search and search for Ethereum, or you can be able now to see the Ethereum in the list. Tap on this Ethereum. So from this option, now go and select the network. So you can select any network, Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum network. So after you select the network, just tap on this copy button. After you copy the network, now go back. So after you go back, now go and open up now your MetaMask. After you open the MetaMask like this, now all you have to do now, you can just now tap on this one, as you can see now, this arrow. So after you tap on the arrow like this, now go ahead and tap on this send button. So from this option now, go ahead now and paste in the Ethereum address that you copy. Now here is my address. Now go ahead and tap on this next button. So from this option, make sure this option is Ethereum ETH. So now specify the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw 0.5 of Ethereum. If I tap on this next button now, the Ethereum will be sent into my Binance account. That's it guys on how to withdraw Ethereum from MetaMask to Binance. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe.